Hyundai is stepping up its game in the SUV market with the introduction of the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid. This exciting new model marks the first ever hybrid version of the popular Palisade, blending enhanced fuel efficiency with the spaciousness and comfort that families have come to expect. Set to arrive in dealerships by the end of 2025 as a 2026 model, the Palisade Hybrid is generating considerable buzz for its powerful hybrid powertrain, updated design, and advanced features. Under the hood, a turbocharged hybrid powertrain. The most significant change for the 2026 Palisade is the introduction of a turbocharged 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain. This new engine replaces the previous V6 and promises a substantial boost in both power and efficiency. The hybrid system combines the 2.5-liter turbo gasoline engine with an electric motor and a 1.65 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, resulting in a combined output of 334 horsepower. This makes the Palisade Hybrid more powerful than many of its midsize hybrid SUV competitors, positioning it as a strong contender in the segment. Power is delivered to the wheels via a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is standard on the hybrid variant. Hyundai is also equipping the Palisade Hybrid with exclusive features like e-ride, e-handling, EHA, electrically evasive handling assist, and eDTVC, electric assisted dynamic torque vectoring control, all leveraging the electric motor to enhance the driving experience. While official fuel efficiency figures are still pending, Hyundai estimates an impressive driving range of over 621 miles, 1,000 kilometers on a full tank, thanks to the efficient hybrid system and a 19.0-gallon, 72-liter fuel tank. The Palisade Hybrid also boasts vehicle-to-load V2L capability, allowing users to power external devices using the battery's energy, a handy feature for camping or work sites. Exterior and interior, bold and modern design. The 2026 Palisade showcases a more upright and boxy exterior design, giving it a stronger and more rugged presence. The front fascia is dominated by a massive grille, flanked by segmented LED lighting elements reminiscent of Hyundai's Ioniq electric lineup. The rear end is simplified with a cleaner bumper and hidden rear wiper. Overall, the aesthetic leans towards a more premium SUV look, drawing comparisons to the Range Rover. In terms of size, the Palisade has grown, now measuring 199.2 inches, 5,060 millimeters in length, and featuring a wheelbase extended by 2.8 inches, 70 millimeters. This increased size is expected to translate into more passenger and cargo space. New exterior colors include Ecotronic Grey Pearl, Cast Iron Brown Pearl, Galaxy Maroon Pearl, and Classy Blue Pearl, alongside familiar options. The redesigned interior emphasizes modernity and premium feel. The dashboard integrates a panoramic curved display housing dual 12.3-inch screens for the driver information and infotainment system. Hyundai has retained physical buttons and knobs for key controls, ensuring ease of use. The steering wheel is updated with Hyundai's H Morse code emblem, and the gear selector is column-mounted. The center console is designed as an island type with ample storage, USB Type-C charging ports, up to 100 watts, and a wireless charger. Panoramic sunroof and a 14-speaker Bose sound system are also expected features. The 2026 Palisade may also offer a 9-passenger configuration in some markets, adding a front bench seat. Technology and features. The 2026 Palisade Hybrid is packed with advanced technology, including Hyundai's latest infotainment system with over-the-air OTA update capabilities, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available premium Bose audio system. The updated SmartSense suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Hyundai may also introduce its latest highway driving assist for semi-autonomous highway driving. Other notable features include a fingerprint authentication system and digital key 2. Expected release and pricing. While Hyundai has launched the gasoline version of the new Palisade in South Korea, the Palisade Hybrid is expected to begin deliveries in Korea between April and June 2025. The North American debut is anticipated in the following months, with the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid expected to go on sale in the US by the end of 2025. Korean pricing for the Palisade Hybrid ranges from approximately US $34,376 to $42,683, depending on trim and seating configuration. US pricing details will be announced closer to the release date. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid represents a significant step forward for the model, combining a bold new design with a powerful and efficient hybrid powertrain. With its increased size, advanced technology, and family-friendly features, the Palisade Hybrid is poised to be a strong contender in the competitive midsize SUV market. Keep an eye out for more details and official US release information in the coming months.